Okay, here's another time period question, but we have to read it really carefully to figure out which formula we should use. 5,000 is invested each month, starting in 1 month's time. Well, that's always good. 6% per annum compounded monthly. And the payments are 5,000. The fund accumulates to 100,000. That means in the future it's going to be 100,000. This must be a future value. If it's not taking out a loan, it's saying when you put 5,000 and then you have all sorts of a whole lot of 5,000 round payments, it accumulates in the future to 100,000 rand. That's why F. That's why it's the future value formula. And there's where F goes. There's where the 100,000 goes where F goes, and 5,000 goes where X goes. 0.06 over 12 goes where I goes. N is right where it is, and that's what we're looking for, -1. So what do? We always take this thing in the bottom, we multiply it by the top, and we divide by the 5,000. Okay, and that's just a number in your calculator. And there's a -1 here, so you're going to add 1 to it. You're actually going to get 0.1, 1 over 10. You're going to add 10 over 10 and get 11 over 10. But your calculator will do all this work. Multiply by this, divide by 5,000, and then you'll have this -1, add 1. It's just a number. And this is just a number. 1 plus 0.06 over 12. You can put it in your calculator. You can actually put that base in your calculator like that. It works fine too. But 201 over 200, that's the base of this power of n. And in a log, it's the base of the log. And the log of 11 over 10 to this base, that's what n is. You see, the log is an exponent. We learned that much about exponents. And you just put this in your calculator. Type it in. So you put 11 over 10 here. At the base, you put that. Press equals. And you'll get 19.11. And that's the answer to question 3. But it's a future value one for looking for time period.